What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Chris from NIA Body Kits, and today Danielle will be installing our new NIA diffuser on this Lexus GSF. So first, I want to tell you a little bit about the new NIA diffuser. All our kits are made right here in the United States in our Miami factory. We make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS holds its own weight and won't warp over time. We offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine. It might have some scratches, but they're ready for wraps or for the DIYers that know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and sprayed with a 2K primer and it's ready for paint. We offer them painted, which you can get color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like gloss black, satin black, matte black, or now an F gray, which is similar to the color of your front grille. Lastly, you can get it hydro dipped, which is the method we use to apply a carbon fiber printed design to our kits and spray with a heavy layer of clear coat. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy and paste the same design onto all our vehicles. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We pre-drill the holes and include all the hardware for an easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA diffuser, you will receive 4 clips, 2 screws, and an alcohol wipe. For this installation, you'll need a clip remover, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and we recommend an angle driver for installation. If you choose a 4th brake light option, you're going to need a razor blade and a crimper. If you don't have a crimper, you can use some pliers. You're going to receive the 4th brake light with its harness. On the other side of the harness, you're going to receive some quick tops that go into your OEM cables. When doing this installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack it up, make sure to use jack stands for safety. First, you want to wipe down the bottom of the car, making sure to get rid of any rocks or debris stuck underneath. In order to tap into the factory lights, we need to remove all the panels in your trunk. We'll start off by taking off this top panel right here and continue to remove the panels on the floor of the trunk. We are going to tap into the lights from the driver's side, so remove the clips here. Now to remove the back panel, there's a few clips that we need to remove. Grab your 10mm socket and remove this 10mm on both sides to get this rear back panel out. Now remove the clips on the side to pull this panel down and get access to the factory harness. We're going to disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid any issues. Now unplug the harness and cut a slit into the loom to expose the wires. Here's when we start tapping into the wires. The white wire from the harness we provided goes into the black wire. The green wire goes into the white wire, and the red wire goes into the green wire. Now the quick taps are crimped up, you can plug the harness back in. Make sure to plug your battery terminal back in, and then let's test the light to make sure it works. The light works, unplug it from the diffuser and put the diffuser to the side. Locate the rubber grommet that the light harness goes through and cut a slit into it, so that you can fish the diffuser harness through it and pull it to the outside of the car. And the wires on the side of the exhaust. Pull it around the exhaust and tuck the excess inside the rear bumper so it won't touch the exhaust. Next, grab the clip remover and remove the 4 factory clips that are underneath the rear valence. Grab the diffuser and lift up the corners of 3M tape so it's easier to take off. The alcohol wipe, clean off the edges of the bumper where the diffuser will stick to. Now plug in the diffuser harness and install the diffuser with the clips that we provided to you. Grab the angle driver and self-tap the screws into the bumper. Make sure to only drill them halfway so you won't over-tighten and strip the bumper. Next, peel off the 3M tape backing and press the diffuser against the car to make sure it's on tight. Grab the stubby Phillips screwdriver and hand tighten the support screws and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many more products that we have for the Lexus GSF. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.